Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, today I am going to present before you the second part of the lesson Love Across the Salt Desert before you people. You know, so far as Najib, who is the hero of this story, central hero of this story, belonged to a village namely Khawda, Indian village namely Khawda. Najib Hussain had crossed the salt desert 4 times, but every time he had his father with him. Not only his father Aftab, but also a notorious smuggler namely Zama Khan. So, in this way we can say Najib Hussain, his father Aftab, and the notorious smuggler Zama had crossed the salt desert 4 times. And it is during one of the visits that the Najib Hussain had seen with his eyes the daughter of the notorious clothes seller of Sindh. His name was the notorious clothes seller. His name was Kalisha. Kalisha had a beautiful daughter with intoxicated eyes, nice structure, attractive structure. He was a clothes seller. Do you know kolo? Kolo in Kashmir it's called as rung. It is a spice which makes the dishes very much spicy and seasoned. When the Najib Hussain saw the daughter of this smuggler, whose name was Fatima, he was captivated by her beauty. They had some talks with each other. Finally, in the presence of other two people, Najib could not talk to her so openly, but he told her that he will come again for her, but all alone next time. So, with the intention of getting Fatima from there, Najib Hussain, without informing his father and Zama Khan, started his travels towards Pakistan with his camel, namely Allah Rakha. In the middle of the way, they had a spot, namely as Panchme Pir. It is a famous dargah. He paid homage to this ziyarat, fed jackals, because it was considered that he who will feed jackals there, his mission will be a successful one. So, leaving Panchme Pir behind him, he stepped onwards towards Pakistan, reaching Sindh. Although in the middle of the way he was seen by the rangers who followed him, anyway he reached the Fatima's home, stepped in. When Kalisha came to know that they had a guest who had come from India and he had come without tendu leaf, he was very much angry. But when Najib Hussain told him that instead of tendu leaf, at this time I have brought golden bangles for him, the wrath of Kalisha calmed down. Tendu leaf were generally sold in Pakistan, and whatever was got in return, the sale of this tendu leaf was spent either on purchasing clothes or in bribing the different officials and the rangers. It was only then possible for a person to reach his target. Anyway, when he reached there, stood there, had negotiations with Fatima was disappointed already, because she was disappointed with the verdict of his father, who had been compelling her to marry a person who was a stammerer, hakla, titla. She was not interested. So she became very much ready to leave his father, leave his homeland for India and to go with Najib Hussain. She finally rode the camel, and by the grace of Almighty Allah were in a position to reach India. When they reached India, at that time their village Khawda, the village of Najib Hussain, which is named as Khawda, it had been suffering from drought for last 3 years. There was not a drop of water available anywhere. People were very much troubled. Even the animals were suffering very much badly. They had become sickly. When these two persons reached the village, there was heavy rainfall which washed off the drought of 3 years, brought a new life to this village. When his father asked him, "Oh my son, what you have brought from there?" he showed him Fatima, who was really a Hur. Her looks also calmed down the wrath of his father, and all the villagers got very much happy with this 20 years hero, because he was considered to be a very much shy boy, but he showed determination and courage and brought not only Hur with him but also the end of the 3 years drought. Thank you. This shows that love makes a man very much hard to reach any goal with full determination. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.